Family, family, family. It's another day of Don't Keeping Up with the Jones. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. I'm back. And kind of like in a rush and the time crunch. Because first of all, I don't know what I'm about to do. And second of all, I'm about to try to make it happen. Third of all, you're about to watch me. So, what I did was I went to Lowe's and I got some plants. So first off, I'm about to plant these plants. Actually, the ones I got are already like planted. Thought something hit me on the head. The ones I have are already planted. I just have to like get them out and put them where they need to be. And then once I get them where I want them to be, and then I will cut the grass. So let me do that. Sweating already, just getting started. Ooh, struggle is real already. So I'm about to hang these bad boys up because the mosquitoes are toxic out here, like toxic. So I'm gonna hang them up and it'll keep us protected from the mosquitoes. Probably hang some more of those, but this'll work for now. And I'm gonna do some lavender out here too. They say lavender is good of repelling mosquitoes. Lavender, basil, mint. Lavender, basil, mint, and it's another herb. Oh well, we'll figure it out. So I got those in. Now I got the house plants. All right, so now I just have my house plants, in which most of them are already in pots, so that's not bad. I just have one, I have 2 pots. Let me get some water so I can pot this other spider plant that'll go in my kids' room. So I saw a lady do a trick. I took the bucket, the potting soil mix in here. Put some water. Mushed it up. And she said that when you plant new plants, it makes for the plants to come outside of the root system to their new environment. So I said, oh, that's cool. I got water. She's a beauty. Whew. Your boy is hot right now. I am hot. I've only potted plants. One plant actually. One plant, potted one plant. About to go take these plants to their new home. And I'm gonna go do that. And then we're gonna come out here and cut some grass. So I'm about to put together my lawnmower. My electric lawnmower. Big boy. Well, didn't have to put together anything. Had to take it off the box. So I raised it up a little bit just because it's my first cut, so the grass is a little high. And ideally, I'm supposed to just push and hold start button and then pull and hold bail. What? So push and hold start button and then pull and hold bail. Alright, so I gotta pick up my baby boy in about 30 minutes, but I think that's enough time to do this yard. It's pretty like small. Just that on that side, and then this little bit, and that would be it. So I'm gonna go for it. I got some goggles that I don't know where I put. But I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna just I'm gonna go for it and let y'all see what happens. Wow, that was intense. Ain't even gonna lie. It was a smooth cut. I will say that. Very smooth cut. However, that grass is terrible. I got this weed killer, but I feel like if I spray it out there, I won't have anything green out there. Alright, so in the last little bit of the lawn, I actually did pretty good as far as cutting stuff in a time manner. I mean, I did alright. I mean, it's not the best, but I effectively cut the grass down. That's all I wanted to do. Cut it down to get it started, let the neighbors know I'm out here and I care. I care about the neighborhood. So we got a little music playing. They happy that I cut the grass. And so I got one more strip that I'm about to cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that because I gotta go get Lil Man, you know? So I'm gonna show y'all that little bit. Show y'all the effects of my lawnmower. I gotta treat the grass for the ants. So I'm gonna move some pavers over. But in the meantime, let me cut this grass. Again, before you go ahead and talk about my style, my technique, or my way, just know, I'm out here just trying to cut the grass. I don't really care about lines or anything right now, because it's all weeds anyway. But I wanted to do, again, is let the neighbors know I care. I care about being in the neighborhood, and we're here. It's not vacant. Don't go calling nobody on us. We have no HOA. We have no CDD. So don't go calling the police, talking about we unruly and mean individuals. So yeah, that's where we at. Hung up the trees. Well, it's not trees, it's plants. I gotta come back out here today. I'm gonna move those pavers because the pavers look trash. And I'm eager to see what it looks like up under the pavers. Let me see, what time is it? 37? I got a little time. Hey, let me move the pavers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna move these pavers because this looks terrible. Like, where are you going? It's a circle. It's a circle to nowhere. But I'm gonna move them like over here to go like beside my house, right here, because it's all dirt to the backyard. So I'm gonna put pavers, these pavers, effectively over there, so they actually have a destination. Because right now they have no destination. It's a circle, like. So, you know, bring it back to a destination, and it's all good. So I'm gonna do this right quick and get it rolling.